Hello and welcome to our video on unboxing the Curo IP 3280 and connecting with POE, Power over Ethernet. Once you have unboxed and unpacked your Curo IP 3280, you'll have 6 items in the box. These are the base, the handset, a cable to connect the handset, the stand, a DC 5V adapter, and a manual. For this video, we're only going to need the base, the handset, the stand, the cable to connect to the handset. Firstly, we're going to look at the base, which has 6 ports. From right to left, these are handset, headset, output to PC, input for data connection, which can also be used for power over Ethernet, and if you do not have power over Ethernet, you can plug in a DC 5V adapter, which is provided. And the final port is the extension port, used for connecting add-ons to your Curo IP. We're now going to begin the assembly of the phones by attaching the stand to the base. As you can see, to attach the stand to the base, there are 3 slots. And these are for 2 different heights. You align the clips with a stand with a wide area on the base and slide it to the right. It is a little stiff, so you may need to apply some extra pressure. Before we connect your handset cable, we need to make sure you have the correct end. The shorter end will go into the handset, and the longer end will go into the base. Now connect the short end into the handset, and give it a gentle push until you hear it click. Now connect the long end into the base until you hear that click. Once this is done, we can go ahead and tighten the cable on the back, using the grooves. We're now going to connect the Curo IP 3280 with power, and to the network, by plugging in with the Ethernet cable, which has POE, by plugging it into the internet slot. Now flip over the device. It should say booting. This may take a few seconds. After booting and begin to initialize, this may take a few minutes. And now we're into the final stage. The Curo IP 3280 will now begin to check for firmware updates. And that's it. Your Curo IP 3280 is all set up and ready to go.